everybody, welcome back to today's video. I'm Will, and today guys, we're building the Pt.2 model engine. Having my dad here again to help me build it. So, we left off with this in part 1, so make sure to go watch that. Part 1 if you haven't seen it already. Today we're doing part 2 of building the Pt.2 model engine. So, we're going to pick up where we left off. So, what are we going to do first?
Well, I think first we have to, we're on step 6.
Alright.
And we have these pieces here. Yeah, you can set that to the side. We have those pieces here. And I think you're going to need these right here.
Alright, so what are these called?
I don't know.
I thought you knew what these were called.
Well, not these, I
So we got these looking things right here. Don't know what these are called. So you said that we gotta take these little metal things here. We gotta stick them inside here. I just slid right in, so that's good. Now I got one done, so I gotta put this one inside the other one. Alright, so we got all of them done, as you guys can see. So now we're gonna take these. We're gonna take these right here in the middle, and they're gonna go through these holes. So let's get started. Oh, we got one done so far. So put that there. So now we gotta get these. So now we gotta get these right here. I don't know how I'm gonna get that up, but I'm gonna figure it out. So we got about 8 more to go. So this really does hurt your fingers. I'm done pulling these out. Got about 2 more to go. I got one more. Alright. That's all of them. Are all gone. So now we're going to take these right here and we're going to go put them inside this little hole right here. So I got one in so far. So now I gotta put this. So now it says that I think I gotta put the springs in somewhere. So I gotta probably put these springs. Got to take the springs and we gotta put them onto this, and then we take this and we go through the hole. Gotta hold it down and put the cap on. Right, just like that. And plus the bind it like this. So we got 14 more to go.
Where's your spring?
Ah! Put it on backwards!
Fail.
You gonna put it on backwards, didn't you? You didn't even notice.
Dad noticed.
Cause you do exactly the same from the bottom too. Almost done with these. Then we're gonna move it to this one. We got 2 more to go. cool. Alright, we got the first ones done. Now we're gonna move on to the very next ones. So, to the side. See, what would you do without me, Daddy?
What would you do without me?
Now what about the spring was already put up there? Yeah, we ain't gonna talk about that. These springs are very bouncy, I think. They're so bouncy, 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 bouncy. Look what I did again. I did it backwards. It's the third time going backwards. This is not coming off, guys. They're not coming off. Just watch me get it off. Like that. Asha, what are you doing right now?
I'm getting ready for the next steps while you are working on that.
Alright. I can't put them in my
Some
backwards.
people never learn.
But what are you talking about? I don't learn.
And why you keep going backwards?
I don't know. Maybe because I want to. Alright. We're all done. So now we gotta move on to the next category.
It's not a category, it's next section.
Yeah, the next step. Okay, what's the next step?
Bring that over. Big one.
So we need this, the base.
Here you gotta put the block
Alright.
onto that. These,
Got my screwdriver.
I think these
Or be longer than A's.
are a little bit bigger.
Nice.
Just there. See how it pokes out?
Oh yeah.
And then just get it started. You ever built an engine before?
Nah, it's my first time doing an engine. So I'm just tying up all the screws on this one. Make sure they're all tight. Alright. Alright, they're all tight. Alright, so now I'm going to do the other side. I got the screwdriver in so I can see. Get that lined up. Now I'm just going to get it started so I can hold it in place. And now I'm going to do the same for this side over here. Alright, cut that side in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up. Since I know that they're in the spot that they need to be in. So, yes, I'm going to tighten these up. And do the same for these. I just didn't want to go in, but then it decided to go in before I even say something. Alright, now we'll put one in the middle. There you go, it went straight in like your butter. Alright, and there we have it. There you go. So these are actually supposed to push down, and then whenever this turns, it pushes it up. So that's really cool. Now we find out. So that's the finished touch. Now we gotta figure out what we gotta do next. So, alright. So step 10 says we gotta take these metal rods here, and we gotta put them with these rockers. 2 more to go. He has none to go. So, alright, so I'm done with mine. Alright, so I got this one done. So now I'm going to put 8 more on the tiny one. So you gotta make sure all of them are facing the same direction or in order. It's not going to work. So alright, there you have it. 8 rockers are on the rod. Here we go. So what do we gotta do next?
Okay, next I think we have these little cams to put on.
Alright.
And this has a flat. It's flat on one side. Okay, now these have to go in a specific order.
Oh gosh. We got D, A, C, B, B, C, A, D. Not in regular order. But the numbers are. Hey, why are you gonna do that?
So two points down. And number 1, the last one,
Alright.
points up.
Got 2. Alright. We got both done.
Okay. See, you got a little cutout right here.
Oh yeah.
Which one is the letters? It's got the letters on it. D. It's one of the gray ones.
This one.
Yep. And points up. Slide it in that little groove right there.
Alright guys, so I think we did pretty good today. Looks like we didn't do nothing, but we did something.
Yeah, we made some progress today. We didn't have much time, but we did what we could do.
So we made these. Alright, so we got this done today. We mainly worked on the base today, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll be done. So guys, thank you so much for watching part 2 of this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And make sure to have your notifications on. Why?
That way you may be the winner of the next post notification shout out.
Alright, and today's post shout out goes to, can I get a drum roll please? Goes to Aunt Sandra. She followed me on my Instagram, and yeah, she did what I told her, asked you guys to do. Alright, so let me get a big shout out to Aunt Sandra. Thank you so much for following me on my Instagram and doing what I asked y'all guys to do. And y'all have plenty of time to be the next notification shout out winner. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching for part 2.